Hey, look, there's a whatever. Oh, it's not an Evo though. It just has an Evo split on. Oh, that's your car, huh?
That's my car.
I know.
The posers.
I just busted your nuts. Just kidding.
What's up, guys? So change of plans. Didn't get a chance to. Okay, stop moving. Didn't get a chance to go out to the racetrack because couldn't get a trailer, couldn't get a way out there. But luckily, there is a Auto Olympics not far from us, so we're out here. We're with Tim, and Tim doesn't know yet.
Yeah, you could.
That I got something for Tim.
Oh, dude, I got a new hat. Swap that out.
So
I bought that red car actually.
we are.
Oh yeah, my head's not that small.
One of the new items up in the store. I've kind of been wearing stuff as we go through it. And
oh, now it's dirty.
still waiting on some things, and then we'll do a nice full
How's that
release.
look? Right there.
Oh yeah,
That's a good looking hat.
it's a good looking hat.
That one can stay down there.
We're gonna go kind of acclimate and check out what's around and get some shots of some cool cars and stuff like that. But what's up, guys? So you might notice a little bit of a change of scenery. So the event yesterday, it was kind of a washout, and between kind of poor planning and the weather, it just didn't really go the way that I had hoped, and I'm sure the event organizers had hoped. But luckily today there's another car show, so I should be able to fill up the rest of this video with some more cars, and this one looks like some more classic muscle and that kind of thing. So we should have a nice variety of cars throughout this video, but I'm gonna cut to that now, and we'll just get some clips of some nice cars, because that's the point of this video right now, you know? Was supposed to be racing, but hey, nice cars works too, right? Alright guys, that might be it for this video. Maybe not. We're doing something cool tonight, so that may be its own video. It may be tacked on to the end of this one. You'll just have to wait and see, or you can just, you know, look at how long the video is and be able to decide if it's on this video or not. But either way, like this video, comment down below, and subscribe, because we got a lot of good stuff going on this summer, and you don't want to miss it. Trust me. Follow your dreams, kids. What? You want to say something? Okay, you can say something. What do you want to say? Tell them follow your dreams.